Alright, so first we need to remove the fuser assembly out of the whole entire machine. So we'll go ahead and pull this out like so, and of course we'll poke each side and pull the drawer more out. Now we got to remove this cover here. So you have one screw here, one right here, one right here, and one right here. Total 4. Then this cover will come right off. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove this flywheel right here. So in order to take that off, you might have a black piece right here over. You'll have one screw here, then it'll come right off. Then you'll have another screw here, and then you'll line this up like so and pull up. Next, we're going to remove the second BTR. You'll have one screw that's right there, the one I'm touching with my finger. And then we're going to unplug this, and then we should be able to pull it right out. Next, we're going to have to remove the fuser now. So you have one screw here, one screw here, one screw right there, and one screw right here. So 4 screws, and then this whole thing should be able to come right off. You will remove this cover too in order to expose this one right here. So there's one right there, 2, 3 right being right there, and then 4. And then I'll show you how to remove this. You want to be cautious when we do remove this because it's going to be very hot. Alright, so when you grab the fuser, of course your left hand you want to kind of place with your fingers grabbing right here, right? And if the fuser is hot, you just want to grab a towel just to make sure you don't burn your hand, because you will have to put your hand right here and it's very, very warm. So what I mean by that is you grab a towel like here, go in here, here, and then you just lift right up like so. Alright, so I have the fuser here, but I just want to demonstrate with the towel just in case it's kind of hard to see from the back, but pretty much. So I'm holding the towel here, and then you just kind of want to right here, you could say I was holding it, you know? So right there, and then just quickly move it, you know? So right there, towel. Okay, so now we're looking at the fuser from here. In this area right here, you'll have one screw right in here that you'll remove, and that's the shield right there. And then this is where the sensor is right here. Alright, so in here, I best recommend taking off the fuser belt module, just because when we do disconnect these sensors here, it's pretty much touching in there and we don't want it to ruin it. So let's just take off the module. So yeah, we'll remove this module here. Once this is removed, then we can go in the back, take off one screw, unpin it, put it in, and then go from there. Okay, now we can aim towards here, which you'll have to disconnect one right here, one right here, one right here, and then you'll have to unpinch these guides off, so then you're able to move this wire out of the way. And then that's just one screw right here. So once you take the screw off right here, this whole little frame will come off easily. Replace it with the other one, and then connect 1, 2, 3, and then, you know, just clip those back in there, and that's how you switch out that sensor that's right here. So like I mentioned, we want to make sure this is off first before we get to this.